If you apply for the DV lottery, you are probably anxious right now to know whether you were actually selected. Now, in this video, I am going to show you how you can check your results to know whether you were selected or not. Step 1. The first step is to gather all the information that you will use throughout this process. Number 1, you will need your confirmation number. The confirmation number is the code that you received the moment you finished submitting your application during the time that DV was played last year. If you do not have memory of much of this information, I do have a video that talks more about confirmation number, and the link is also in the description box. Second thing that you will need is your last name or your family name. You need to remember the name as it is, like how you wrote it in your application. You also need to remember your year of birth. This you will use later on. Let's move on to step 2. Step 2 is for us to go to the website to check for the results. Now, the only website that is official and authentic source of information about the DV lottery will be dvprogram.state.gov. This is the website that you will use to check your results. So be sure to avoid any other websites that claim to provide DV lottery results. The link to this website is in my description box. Now, step 3. Enter your last name and enter your date of birth as well as your confirmation number. After you have entered all this information, make sure to click submit button for you to be able to see if you were selected. Lastly, I would like to encourage everybody to access the entrant check status on their own and not rely on anybody else to do all these things for you in order for you to avoid unnecessary scams and fraud. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well as share our videos. This is it for this video. It's See Abroad. Until next time.